Oh hey, how's it going? I didn't see you there. There's a guy pulled over, so there's all the traffic, all of it that's possible. I'm gonna hit this cone. Fuck that cone. Bitch ass cone. Fucking police! God damn it! Get out of the way! La policía, mira. We're out here on the way to the shop. I was gonna go get the van today, but Callie got 2 hours of sleep, so yeah, she's not really up to. I left her house mad late last night. She had work at 5. She got like 2 hours of sleep. Oh, that's at least they're repaving it, eh? But yeah, she got like no sleep and is not really up for the task of driving my car or whatever to the new shop, following the van, whatever. But we're gonna figure some shit out when we get to the shop, and I will see you guys at the shop because there's gonna be more traffic. And I don't want to die. From one of you guys. Hey, we got fucking presents.
I love presents.
We got fucking presents. This is my fucking dusty. This bitch. Painting's gonna suck. Yes. That's a good one.
Oh, nice.
Sweet. There's no note. It just.
It's in the bottom.
It doesn't say anything like that. Well, whoever sent this, thank you. Will get used. Very nice.
Nope.
Fucking sweet. Now we got floor diapers. Alright, so I got these here really good, sick and dope. Look at this here box I have. Very nice. So I tested one out right here. And they work. So that's very good. Get out. ARPs. PRAs. I got my Mint PRA head studs right here. So yeah, I'm waiting for the head gasket. It didn't ship yet, but that's okay. We'll figure that out when it comes time for that. But yeah, I got the damn head studs. Just letting you guys know. So I got a couple things here. Like I said, I got the ARPs in. I got some paint stuff in for the Prelude. I'm not gonna tell you the color yet. I guess, I don't know. It's gonna look sick though, especially with the wheels. Yeah, I ordered a bunch of stuff and I'm just kind of waiting on it. And yeah, I don't know. Shit was expensive. I'm gonna be broke again, but I want to finish my stuff. So I hope you guys can appreciate that I'm trying, you know. I don't make a lot of money, all right? So, but I'm trying to finish my cars. This thing, pretty soon we're gonna start the body work on it after I do the head studs and the head gasket. Or get it tuned first. I don't know, one of the two. Doesn't really matter because I'm not driving it until it's tuned or painted. So yeah, I want it painted, I want it looking nice, and I want it reliable before I freaking register this thing. All right, on my new wheels, I got rear tires for it. That's not a problem. I got the fronts up there. They're the sticky ones. But yeah, just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on that part. All right, so what I'm going to try to do with this is I'm going to take the front clip back off again for, I don't know, somebody tell me how many times I've done it, but I have my tap kit here. So with this bracket, it's like right on this. So what I'm going to do, this is the power steering pump, by the way. I'm going to drill the holes slightly farther and slightly higher on each side. And yeah, that should move the power steering pump this way. And it'll clear that. And what I'm thinking of also doing is this bracket that comes off the alternator. I basically need to fit this right here somewhere over there. So I got to figure out how I'm going to do that. And what I came up with, because, so see how this is the ribbed section? That's not going to work for here because where this idler pulley goes is the back side of the belt. So I'm thinking I'll take this pulley off and then put it on this because they're both just a bolt through the center and they're probably the same size, hopefully. And yeah, so basically I want to have my tensioner right here running off of the alternator this way underneath here up, and then down. I don't know. Something like that, but that's what I'm going to try to do. And yeah, so I guess let's go ahead and take this front clip off. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to put this where I need it. Very close to everything. But I'm going to take this. That's not going to work. Alright, so I have a general idea. I guess I'm just going to go ahead and send it. Okay, so there's that. I have one hole in here. Now I'm going to take this bolt, and that looks like it's about the right size. So I'm going to find the correct thread for this. This is the bolt that I've been using with these, that threading right there. And tap this hole, bolt it down, and see if it's in the right spot. So I'll do that. Okay. So this is going to be probably a little bit annoying because the pipe is right there. And I don't know how I'm going to do this because the pipe is right there, damn it. Alright, this is how you use a tap, right guys? I think this is working the best out of anything, to be honest. Didn't think that was going to work, to be honest. But alright, freaking back this out. There we go. Now, somehow I have to mark the inside of the other hole right here. That should be it. Let's take this out. Trying to work with what I got. All right, mint. There's that. And there's that. So now my power steering pump clears the stuff. Woo! Here's the problem. So here's the problem. All these things very close to each other, all right? So let me get the belt and just kind of try to envision what's going on over here. All right, so I think that's the best bet for whatever I'm trying to do here. I don't know how much, I don't know how well it's gonna work, but as long, I want to say as long as, and also definitely gonna have to weld a little 90 onto that, because if I do this, there's no freaking way the hose is going to go there. Or either that or it's going to be super tight. But, there we go. Yeah, but I mean, if I can get it to wrap all this, maybe I'll be alright. I don't know. Possibly. Probably not. Alright, so I found a loophole here. So, if I can get that right there, I'm going to need Ronnie's help for this. So this is fully extended, and when I depress this, basically it'll be pushing down right here, so it'll hold tension to all this stuff. So I'm going to need Ronnie's help for this one. Those two little brackets right there that used to hold that on, I'm going to need one welded right there, and then another somehow something welded up here. And that won't be in the way of anything. And it'll just be right there. It'll just be very crowded. But I think that can work. I think. Yeah. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Because I think, yeah, super freaking crowded. It looks so funny. But I'm really trying to keep the belt away from this side of the engine as much as possible because of all the heat. And yeah, obviously everything's going to be wrapped. But still, I want to keep the belt, you know, as cool as possible for this application. I guess I figured that out. Like I said, all I had to do is move this over because this was basically touching this. So now I have a solid, like, you know, 1.5 inches to this. Got about 36 feet to that right there, so that'll be good. Hopefully the tensioner placement, you know, right here, because I mean that does, you know, it will tension it. Hopefully that works out. I just sent a picture to Ronnie, see what he thinks. Intercooler piping, all this other stuff shipped. So this thing should be getting going again pretty damn soon. And, you know, hopefully we can figure all this stuff out. This part, hard. Getting a downpipe on a Z, definitely hard. I'm probably going to have to chop this off. Just the top above these mount points. And probably chop this off. And actually, I might not have to chop that. I don't know. I'm going to chop as little as possible. But I'm welding a 90 to this, or Ronnie, or me, I don't know, whoever, if he wants to teach me, or I don't know. I almost don't trust myself. But this is going to have, or sorry, not a 90, a 45 welded to it. So it's going to go like this. So it's still going to sit in this position, so it'll fit the radiator support. But also, this is going to have to go this way. And then I'm going to have a coupler here. It's going to go down into the intercooler, up, and then there's a hole on this side that comes stock. On HRs, I think they're on both sides. But yeah, so basically duplicating the hole on this side. It's going to go up this way, boom, right into there. And I cannot wait to rip this thing boosted. Oh, and we're going to have to weld the blow-off valve and whatnot. So all stuff's in there. Got some heat wrap as well. Ronnie just gave me this, but I'm going to order 2 more rolls. This will probably cover like maybe the downpipe. Thank you to whoever sent out those oil spill rag things. Much appreciated. Definitely going to need them. You guys know me. So, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. We just hit 99K, so that's pretty cool. I guess 1,000 more to go, so at least by 2028. Unless you're watching this and you're not subscribed and you're feeling generous, you know, you want to hit the button, get your boy to 100K before the apocalypse. I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Again, I'm done rambling. I gotta make this video short. Not that much went on, but at least I got this mounted and figured out what I'm gonna do for the tensioner. Peace out.